Stem change verbs, Part 3. O and U verbs to UE. Capítulo 7.1. Some stem change verbs change from O to UE or from U to UE. You treat these verbs just like any other boot verbs. All forms change except the nosotros form and the vosotros form. Here are the verbs that change from O or U to UE in their stem. Copy them into your notes and draw boots around them. Our first verb is poder, which means can or to be able to. Yo puedo means I can. Tú puedes, you can. Él, ella puede, he or she can. Usted puede, you formal can. Nosotros podemos, we can. Vosotros podéis, you all can. And ellos pueden, they can. Our second verb is costar, which means to cost. See how it's conjugated? Cuesto, cuestas, cuesta, costamos, costáis, and cuestan. Our third verb changes from U to UE. Yo juego, I play. Juegas, juega, jugamos, jugáis, and juegan. Our next verb is dormir. Dormir means to sleep. Yo duermo, tú duermes, él duerme, nosotros dormimos, vosotros dormís, and ellos duermen. And then finally, our last verb is the verb of volver. Volver means to return. Vuelvo, vuelves, vuelve, volvemos, volvéis, vuelven. Notice again how these verbs all change either from O to UE or U to UE. ¿Cómo se dice en inglés? ¿Cómo se dice en español? First, our sentences from Spanish to English. Let's see if you can figure them out. Los hombres juegan al béisbol. ¿A qué hora vuelves a casa? Mis tíos pueden jugar a cartas bien. And translate these to English, to Spanish. She can draw every day in class. Matthew doesn't sleep very much. The dogs play with the cats in her house.